Today, I'm going to show you how to get back the missing search bar in Mozilla Firefox in just a few easy steps. This is a quick fix that can help if your toolbar changed, your search box disappeared after an update, or you accidentally removed it while customizing Firefox. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring it back and place it where you want it. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and helpful guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. That's the icon with the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access browser settings, tools, and customization options. Once the menu opens, move down and click More Tools. From the submenu, select Customize Toolbar. This will take you to Firefox's toolbar customization screen where you can add, remove, and rearrange buttons and tools to fit your setup. Now you'll see a grid of icons and toolbar items. Look carefully for the search bar option. If it's missing from your browser, it should still appear in this customization panel. When you find it, click and hold the search bar, then drag and drop it onto your toolbar. Place it next to the address bar so it looks clean and easy to use. Take a moment to position it exactly where you want it. You can move it left or right until it feels comfortable for your workflow. This is useful if you want a more traditional browser layout or just need faster access to search without typing directly into the address bar. After placing the search bar, look for any Save, Done, or Exit customization option if Firefox shows one. In many cases, the changes apply automatically, so you can simply close the customization view and return to browsing. You should now see the search bar back on your toolbar, ready to use again. If it still doesn't appear, double check that you actually dragged the correct search bar item and not another toolbar button. You can always go back into Customize Toolbar and try again until it looks the way you want. Firefox makes this process pretty flexible, so you can restore missing tools in just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully brought back the missing search bar in Mozilla Firefox. A simple toolbar customization like this can make your browser feel much more familiar and much easier to use. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.